Okay, now number 5. The man spent all his money on books and lived happily in poverty. Money is uncountable, books is countable, and poverty is uncountable. Number 6. John bought a new car and took us all for a ride. Car countable. Number 7. I am very fond of rice and have it every meal. Rice uncountable, meal countable. Okay. Number 8. Drinking too much coffee or tea is not good for your health. Coffee uncountable, tea uncountable, health uncountable. Number 9. No living being can survive without air. Air uncountable. Excuse me. Number 10. He does not like bread or butter. Bread uncountable, butter uncountable. Number 11. He put some toothpaste on his brush and walked into the bathroom. Toothpaste uncountable, brush uncountable, bathroom countable. Number 12. Oil and water do not mix easily. Oil uncountable, water uncountable. Number 13. Raman met with an accident and there was blood all over his clothes. Accident countable, blood uncountable. Number 14. Luck was on his side and he won a lot of prizes at the fair. Luck uncountable, prizes countable, fair countable. Number 15. There was no electricity in the town because of the floods. Electricity uncountable, town countable, floods countable. Number 16. The weather was fine and we spent the day sitting in the garden. Weather uncountable, day countable, garden countable. Number 17. When you listen to good music, you lose all sense of time. Music uncountable, time uncountable. Number 18. We had eggs, toast, breakfast, meat and milk at bedtime. Eggs countable, toast uncountable, breakfast uncountable, meat uncountable, milk uncountable. Number 19. There was no space in the drawing room and so they put the television set in the bedroom. Space uncountable, drawing room countable, television set countable, bedroom countable. Number 20. The sand on the beach was clean and golden in color. Sand uncountable, beach countable, color uncountable. Okay, now next exercise. Choose the correct forms of the words from those given in brackets and rewrite the following sentences. Means in every sentence 2 or more options have been given. You have to select the right option or the correct answer. Okay. You can just either tick mark or underline the correct answer. Like little baby or babies usually drink milk or milks. First one is babies, B-A-B-R-E-S, babies. Second one, M-I-L-K, milk. Number 2, seeing so much blood or bloods, Rita fainted. It is blood, B-L-O-O-D, blood, without S, okay, no plural. Number 3, the van or vans were waiting to collect the luggage or luggages of the passengers. First one is V-A-N-S, vans. Second one is L-U-G-G-A-G-E, luggage, not luggages. luggage. Number 4. You must produce a letter from your parent to explain your frequent absence or absences. The answer is absence. A-B-S-E-N-C-E. Absence. Number 5. I hate noise or noises and so do not like loud music or musics. First one, N-O-I-S-E. Noise. Second one, M-U-S-I-C. Music. Number 6. People believe that if you drink the water or waters of this river, you will never suffer from any illness or illnesses. The first one is water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Second one, illness. I-L-L-N-E-S-S. Illness. Number 7. Can you lend me some book or books to read? I have so much spare time or times that I do not know what to do. First one is books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Second one is T-I-M-E. Time. Number 8. Thank you for all the help or helps you gave me when I was in trouble or troubles. First one is H-E-L-P. Help. Second one, T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Trouble. Number 9. Rita has cut her hair or hairs very short. The answer is H-A-I-R. Hair. Number 10. The children had great fun or funs watching the puppet show. The answer is F-U-N. Fun. Number 11. John's friends wished him good luck or lucks in his new business. The answer is L-U-C-K. Luck. Number 12. There is plenty of food or foods in the fridge and you can eat as much as you like. The answer is F-O-O-D. Food. Number 13. Rahul spent all his energy or energies at the gymnasium and had none left for his study or his studies. First one is E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Second one is S-T-U-D-I-E-S. Studies. Number 14. The man said that poverty or poverties had made him steal the money or monies. First one is P-O-V-E-R-T-Y. Poverty. Second one is M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Number 15. In winter, the streets of the city are all covered with snow or snows. The answer is S-N-O-W. Snow. Now, we are going to do the next exercise, that is exercise number D. And what the instruction says, use the words in the box below to fill in the blanks given before the underlined uncountable nouns to give an idea of quantity or quality. Quantity means how much. Quality means what kind, what type. Okay. And you have to use these words: all, any, little, lot, much, no, some. Number 1. Did you drink dash milk? Any. A-N-Y-N-E. Number 2. How dash rice did he eat at lunch? Much. M-U-C-H. Much. Number 3. He had so dash time to study during the day that he had to stay up most of the night reading and writing. The answer is little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Number 4. he bought a dash of new furniture for the house he had built. The answer is L-O-T, lot. Number 5. Would you like to listen to dash music? Some. S-O-M-E, some. Number 6. There is a saying that dash news is good news. No. N-O, no. Number 7. The parents were very anxious for they had received dash information regarding their son. No. Again, N-O, no. Number 8. Would you like dash bread with your mutton stew? Answer is some. S-O-M-E, some. Number 9. Dash his luggage was stolen and he had no clothes to wear the next day. All. A capital. Starting of a sentence, A capital. A-double-L, all. Number 10. Though he is very rich, he refuses to pay dash part of the money he owes me. Any. A-N-Y, any. So children, this is the end of the correction for this week. I know you all are facing a lot of problems because you don't have books. But the good news is now the books are available in the office. So tell your parents to come to school, pay their fees and buy the books. And one important thing, you must keep it in mind. When you come to school, when you walk outside, you must wear a mask. And when you are standing to buy the books or pay the fees at the counter, please maintain social distancing. Please maintain gaps. Okay children, this was only for today. Bye.